So Amazon just sliced their commissions in half again. What are you doing to diversify your side income? If you're an Amazon influencer, you used another social media platform to be approved for the program. Don't neglect these other social medias. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. They're all places you should be uploading your content. The best thing about this is that you can use your affiliate link and drive offsite traffic to Amazon. That's where the high commissions are anyway. I'm going to show you a quick trick on YouTube, a place to stick your link, okay? Are you a member of the YouTube Partner Program? 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Hopefully you are. And then you can utilize this great nifty trick. Let's jump inside. Okay, so here we are inside on my YouTube channel. Like I said, if you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you should be uploading your videos to YouTube, basically for copyright. They'll protect your copyright if someone else tries to steal your content. YouTube's probably the best at it. Instagram is another one, and of course TikTok and Pinterest. You want to upload your content to all of those places and put your affiliate links. But in YouTube, when you're with the partner program, you can add a link to your end screen. Check this out. It's pretty cool. So let's do the Mub View, the Ultimate Security Doorbell Camera. So we'll click on this. All right, we're going to go to the end screen. Right now, the end screen, we're going to add the link to here. Can we add a link? We can add a link. There's the link. Now we're going to go over to Amazon, and we're going to go up here and we're going to search for WebView Security Camera. There it is. Click right on there. All right, you come up here to the text bar, to your affiliate link, grab the affiliate link, go back over here, add your affiliate link in there, paste that right in there. Okay, but you also have to go down here and put in an image, right? So you put an image, they're going to give you something off the website, or you can select a file, you can make your own image, right? So that's the image, and you can also do the call to action, change the call to action, make it learn more, sign up, shop, download, support, order, and then we save. So that end screen will pop up on there, and the link will be right on the screen where they can actually press and go right to Amazon. How's that? Okay. Yes, I hope you learned something. A very powerful way to share your links. Okay. Now build up your social media. Don't sleep on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. Transfer all your Shopful videos, transfer them all over to these other platforms. Drag that traffic from there and send it all to Amazon. Amazon loves that. It's going to make you the greatest influencer in their eyes. They want that outside traffic being driven too. So keep doing that. Use your affiliate links from the site stripe on the top and drive traffic to Amazon through your social media. Now, what happens if Amazon bans you, closes your account? I mean, there was a big scare not too long ago where people were getting closed down for not their own fault. It was a glitch. They got their accounts back, but it got people thinking, what would happen if Amazon just decided to, well, change the rules or, shut you down because of something you did like 2 years ago in a video because they changed the rules. Very scary proposition. So you don't want to have all your eggs in one basket. You want to have something coming in on YouTube. You want to have some coming in on Instagram, some coming in on TikTok. Pinterest is very powerful, and of course Amazon. So you don't be all in one basket, all your eggs in one basket. Of course, the eggs are very expensive these days, But so I hope you learned something valuable with that link thing. So hit the subscribe button and the like button for me, will you please? And popping up on the screen right now, YouTube thought this video would be the next one you should watch. It's just for you. They based on what you've already watched, this is what you should watch next. Okay, check it out.